need a Swiffer.
Huh?
You need a Swiffer.
I know. I need a lot of things. Oh, the steam cake, which is wonderful. I love that. And Feather, please don't eat that, okay? Let's pretend we don't have to do that. It just came out of here. Of course it's going to go back.
Oh, you gotta help.
Whoops, sorry. Get smacked in the head.
Oh!
Sorry, little guy. I didn't see you there. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're getting taller. The other day I was able to do that. Okay, all right. Hi, little guy. He still doesn't want to eat. His mother keeps on saying, oh, well, that's all right. If he doesn't want to eat it, I will.